Is your TP-Link router conflicting with other devices? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the orientation of the antennas. If your TP-Link router is conflicting with other devices, check the orientation of the router. You can place the router high up and adjust the antennas to 45 degrees or 0 degrees. Adjust the antennas and check what works for you. You can try moving the router to a different location and then check if that works. Method 2. Check device compatibility. Ensure the problematic device works with other networks. If it doesn't, the issue might be with the device itself. In that case, you need to repair or replace the device. Method 3. Connect to 5G Wi-Fi. If your router supports 5G Wi-Fi, try connecting to it, as there are fewer interference sources on 5G networks. If your router is already connected to a 5G Wi-Fi, then you can disconnect and connect it again. Method 4. Restart the router. Restarting the router can resolve IP address conflicts, as it will assign new IP addresses to all devices. You can unplug all the cords or cables attached to the router, then reconnect everything. Then restart the router and check if that works. Method 5. Disable Smart Connect. If your router supports Smart Connect, try disabling it. Smart Connect combines the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands and assigns your devices between them to balance network demands, while leaving the brand new 6 GHz band exclusively for your Wi-Fi 6E devices to unleash the most out of the latest Wi-Fi. Now here is how to disable Smart Connect on a TP-Link router. Visit this website http://tplinkwifi.net and log in with your TP-Link ID and password. Navigate to Advanced Settings, then select Wireless, then Wireless Settings. Now uncheck the box to enable Smart Connect if you want to disable it. Click on Done. Method 6. Change the router's Wi-Fi channel and channel width. If there are multiple Wi-Fi networks in the area, try changing the router's Wi-Fi channel and channel width. To do so, navigate to Advanced, then Wireless, then select Wireless Settings. Check the checkbox for 2.4 GHz to enable. Then change channel and channel width. Then click on Save. Here we are setting the channel width to 40 MHz, channel to 3. You can experiment and check what works for you. Then enable 5 GHz and change channel and channel width. You may need to configure the settings several times and check what works for you. Like we are making some changes here. Once done, click on Save. Method 7. Change the router's LAN IP address. If the router's default LAN IP address is conflicting with your ADSL modem or router, you can change it to avoid the conflict. Open this link on a web browser, http://tplinkwifi.net, and log in with your TP-Link ID or the password you set for the router. Go to Advanced, then select Network, then LAN. Type in a new IP address according to your needs, and leave the subnet mask as the default settings, or you can change as shown, and check what works for you. Click on Save, click on OK from the pop-up message. Now you should be redirected to the new login page. Method 8. Clone your computer's MAC address to the router. If your ISP registers your computer's MAC address, when you access the internet, you can clone your computer's MAC address to the router. For this, log in with the default username and password, which are both admin. Go to the Advanced tab, then select Network, then select Internet. Scroll down and you should see the router MAC address. Expand the option and select Clone Current Device MAC. Follow as shown. Click on Save, then restart the device. Once the device restarts, check if this solves the issue. Method 9. Check firmware update. Visit this link http://tplinkwifi.net and log in with your TP-Link ID or the password you set for the router. When the latest firmware is available for your router, the upgrade icon will display in the top right corner of the page. Click on the icon. Alternatively, you can go to Advanced, then select System, then Firmware Update. Now click on Check for upgrades. If there is new firmware, click on Upgrade. Then wait for some time, then reboot. Now check if the issue is fixed. If not, then move on to the next solutions. Method 10. Reset the router. Next, you can reset the router. Press and hold the reset button on the back of the router for 6 to 10 seconds while the device is running. This will restore the router's factory settings, so you will need to reconfigure it. Method 11. Contact TP-Link support. If the issue persists, contact TP-Link technical support with your router's model number, hardware version, and firmware version for further assistance. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when a TP-Link router is conflicting with other devices. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.